Hello friends, let us now learn about this question. Type of connective tissue present in the arrow marked area. So what is the marked area? Select the connective tissue of arrow marked area. Yeah, sorry. This is the arrow. I could not see it. Yeah. So what is this connective tissue? So this connective tissue is actually a dense irregular connective tissue. The marked area, this is the slide of the skin. Okay, this is the keratin, and this whole is epidermis. This is stratum corneum. Actually, this whole is epidermis and this is dermis. In the dermis, it is actually the reticular dermis. In the reticular dermis, you will see the presence of dense irregular connective tissue. This dense irregular connective tissue is present in those areas where we have mechanical stress. So obviously in the skin you will have increased number of mechanical stress is present in skin, and here in this you will in this reticular dermis or dense irregular connective tissue which you see here, this has large amount of right, fine, 1 minute. This dense irregular connective tissue is only found in those areas where there is increased mechanical stress, as I have already said. Here there will be collagen fibers which are there, but they will be arranged without any orientation in three-dimensional response. Because of this collagen fibers, this provides resistance to stress from all directions, because the collagen fibers are oriented in all the directions. So the this where is this dense irregular connective tissue found? This dense irregular connective tissue is found in reticular layer of dermis. It is present in superficial connective tissue sheaths. It is found in adventitia of large blood vessels. It is also found in capsules of the various glands and organs. It is found in periosteum and also perichondrium. So where is it found? It is found in reticular layer of dermis, superficial connective tissue sheath of muscle and nerve, adventitia of large blood vessels, corpuscles of various glands and organs, periosteum and perichondrium. So these are the various areas where this dense irregular connective tissue is found. Contrary to it, we also contain one more type of connective tissue, which is dense regular connective tissue. This dense regular connective tissue provides connections between the different tissues in the human body. In this dense regular connective tissue, the collagen fibers are arranged in parallel bundles. You can see these parallel bundles where the collagen tissues are attached, arranged in parallel bundles. In this dense regular connective tissue, you will see no elastic fibers and no reticular fibers in this dense regular connective tissue. Here you will see mainly the connective tissue which is collagen bundles. You will see that there is two types of arrangements. Okay, in first arrangement we have cord arrangement. In cord arrangement, the collagen, this is a collagen fiber, followed by this is the matrix. Okay, and then there will be again collagen bundles which are again followed by matrix. This is the arrangement of cord where the collagen and matrix are distributed in regular alternate patterns. Then we have one more arrangement which is sheet arrangement. In sheet arrangement, you will see the collagen fibers which are in irregular fashion, and even the matrix is also in irregular fashion. This is matrix. So in sheet arrangement, the collagen and matrix are in irregular patterns. So where is this dense connective tissue found? This dense connective tissue is found in tendons which will connect the muscles to bone, ligaments and also aponeurosis. These are the places where dense regular connective tissue is found. Then this provides great tensile strength and also it provides very poor blood supply. Okay, so this is about the dense regular and connective tissue. But in the question which was asked, it is actually dense irregular connective tissue, right? Thank you for watching.